Definitely factory.
Cause yeah, I'm not seeing it either. And the wrap. What's going on, y'all? Welcome back. Back in the car. You know I'm about to make some decisions. Honestly, I was laying down and I got the only text that I needed to really validate what I'm about to go do. And here we are. Now I'm in the car. We're in the 440. Smooth pulling. It's great. We're coming up on our first oil change, so I definitely have a video coming out showing y'all how to change the oil on the car. Car sound good. It just it's being held back a little bit. And I got a big muffler back there, which I'm okay with. I want to keep my valves. Oh, my fault. Bam, bam, bow, boo, 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 ooh, spicy. I forgot to show y'all that. It's just getting held back. So we're gonna go and see if I can do a resonator delete, see how much it costs, what they want to go for, if they can go ahead and cut them out and go from there. I'm gonna go ahead and put some sound clips in for you guys to compare both of them so you can hear, you know, stock and whatnot. I did not get any flybys or anything like that of, you know, what's it called, of its stock. I've been itching. I've been holding back. Everything in me has been like, no, like I'm gonna wait, and I'm tired of waiting. I want, you know, I want my burbles to come through. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. See that sound like. Oh, don't pay attention to that. Honestly, and I might even add that. Ooh, my team look over to a spin. Ooh. Let me get this set up. Probably some cleaning too. Bro, you could barely hear it in eco mode. You basically can't hear nothing in eco mode unless you knock it over to sport. And I feel like that just kind of turns off eco, but it's still got a little bit of sound. It's just, it is a lot quieter. Jesus Christ. All right, y'all, we just pulled up. Let's go inside and chat. Dude was mad nice. He said, go ahead, bring this thing in. That's what we're doing now, to the rack, and we're gonna give him a free estimate. So bless. He said, watch the first step. Oh shit. Thank you. So, cause yeah, I'm not seeing it either. And this is just a double pipe. It would have been, wouldn't it?
Definitely factory.
I don't know how to feel right now. So we got under the car because he was like, I'll give you a free estimate to you know, see how much it costs and whatnot. And he looks at me dead in the face and says, there's no resonators on here already. What? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? There's no resonators on here. I said, nah, this is, he gets under and he's like, this is a performance exhaust. Like, this came from the factory. I'm like, I got it off the lot this way. Like, what do you mean? Come look. No, for sure. There's no extra piping, bro. It's downpipe, pipe, and then it splits off into the muffler. Like, I don't have resonators. There's no resonators already on the car. I'm a little confused. No way, right? I was told these come with two. I know these come with two. Like, I gotta do some more research now because I'm confused. Wow. So yeah, I don't got any resonators in the car. I guess I just have a really restrictive catalytic converter, if you know what I'm saying, in the downpipe. Which I'm gonna rip that shit out. We all know. I'm definitely going catless, just being respectful. But the only thing is, if I do go catless, gonna have a check engine light in the car. It's not gonna be running the right way because it needs a tune. In order to tune the car, I gotta unlock the DME. If you don't know what the DME is, it's basically the computer for the car, and in the 2021 models and up, it's locked, so I can't just tune the whip. I gotta get the DME unlocked. To my knowledge, the only place is in Finland. It's about a rack, and it costs about a week. The car gotta sit there. That's not happening right now. What the fuck? I got, you know, this is the daily I'm using it. But it is gonna end up happening because more power. I need my burbos to come through. So yeah, bro, we're literally sitting on just a muffler and cats. Like, I don't have any resonators in the car. They were deleted beforehand. I guess the previous owner had taken them out. Saves me some money, but I just went online and bought a lip. So y'all be getting an install video for that real soon. On top of that, I got to do oil change for the car literally this weekend. So y'all will be getting the video on that this weekend. At least, you know, you got some sound clips of dual resonated. This is blowing me though. I'm just as shook. I don't know if anybody, like, what a phenomenon. I always end up buying cars and there's something, you know? So here we go that I already don't have resonators, but I guess that's $150 saving. But it's going because I'm already winning got the lip, so. Oof, bitches is going bald. I mean, they got some grip back there, but here, bald. Oh, we filling her up now. Let's see. She was basically on empty. It was like 34 miles. So this shit like be filling up to a full tank. Gas costing $3.4 right now. I'm putting in premium. Let's see how much, you know. Let's see how much the bill run me. Stop, calm down. Every time I walk by, she get turned on. Okay, 40 really not that bad, especially getting up to 12. I think it has like a 16-gallon tank, but it really only fills up to like 14, 15. Let's see. Nah, got it right before 50. Okay, that's smooth.